Students, let's do chapter 4 factorization HCF LCM exercise 4 and we will do its question number 2. Two numbers are given 5445 and 9317. The greater number is divided by the smaller one. This 9000 is greater than 5000, that's why 9000 is the dividend and 5445 is the divisor. 5445 1 times gives us 5445. We will do the subtraction and the remainder is 3872. Students, I will not explain you the process of subtraction because my focus is to teach you how to find the HCF by using the division method. This is the division method and my focus is to teach you how to find HCF by division method. Now I assume that you know subtraction. Now 3872 is the remainder. In this method, the remainder is treated as the divisor and the first divisor is treated as dividend. Now 3872 1 times 3872, and when we will do the subtraction it will gives us 1573. 1573 is actually the remainder, but we will not treat it as a remainder, but we will treat it as a divisor. And this divisor, which is 3872, will be treated as dividend. Now 1573 2 times gives us 3146. We will subtract and it will give us 726 as a remainder, but we will not treat it as a remainder, we will treat it as a divisor, and this previous divisor will be treated as dividend in this step. Now 1573 is the dividend, which this 1573 is treated like a dividend, which was the previous divisor. 726 2 times gives us 1452. We will subtract it and it will give us 121 as a remainder, but we will not treat it as a remainder, rather we will treat it as a divisor, and this 726, which was the divisor in this step, will be treated as a dividend in this step. You can see this 726 is treated as a dividend. Now 121 6 times gives us 726, and when we will subtract it will give us 0 as remainder. So students, this is a very simple method to find out the HCF. This method is called division method. In this division method, the greater number is divided by the smaller one, the remainder is treated as the divisor, and the first divisor is treated as dividend. The operation is continued until the remainder is 0. The last divisor is HCF. Now the last divisor is 121 and it is HCF.